Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oppo Find X2 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then undo 11 screws to take out the board cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not broken battery from the body. First, release the adhesive on the right hand side. And then pull the battery from the tab. Take out the battery and then place the new battery on the body. And then secure the tape. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.